This is the water supply here.
Yeah.
And I don't know what goes on there. See, there's a little... This here is your cleaner supply.
Yeah.
Wait a minute now.
Does this here hold water to...
That's where your water goes.
Oh, goes. Like,
yeah, your water goes in there.
Like it's a wet vac almost, eh?
See, now I'm not sure about this at all. Yes, I'm not sure about this. I don't know what's supposed to go on here, but this is damaged too, you see. This here is cracked.
Oh yeah?
I don't remember how it all goes. And when you and this is the brush here.
Yeah.
And you see it goes like this.
And it's a Bissell.
Yeah. And then there's an attachment goes on here. And this might be it here.
The sprayer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see the little nozzle there. Yeah.
That might go on there, but there's something broken off of here too, you see.
Oh, it's just a small clip. A retaining clip. Okay.
See, like it's like this here.
Yeah, just a small retaining clip.
But it's too short now, you see.
Well, just buy some more line. Got a filter on the end here.
I think this goes into your soap
Container.
Soap container, yeah.
Is there suction though? Turn it on, see if there's actual suction.
Oh yeah. Yeah, lots of suction.
Okay, I'll show you what I got made up for the water supply hose. Here's the hose, and here's the end, and this other end is just for your soap, but this is for the water. So, went to the hardware store and I got this adapter. It's for sink to garden hose, adapter that fits on your sink and will screw on your sink. And this one here has got outside threads. Now if you have inside threads, this is just a plain spout, but on the top they have a little adapter for outside or inside threads, so you will have to get this adapter. And this screws in here. And then you've changed it to inside adapter for your faucet. But this is an old faucet, so it's an outside one. And I'll screw this in. And it's got the rubber ring in there. And then I got a hose. See, it's got the garden hose adapter on one side, and the other side is just plain hose. And you put this rubber on there, and this attaches to here like that. This is the part that went, this part here went on the faucet and clicked up. We're missing everything from here up to the faucet. This used to go inside like this. So obviously everything here it screwed on and clipped up to the faucet. So now I'm going to do something else with it. See, I'm just attaching it there. I got a different kind of clamp. This is for fuel rail for automotive, opposed to this kind of clamp. I just try this one here because this one here won't create any flat spots. It's for the injectors for your fuel rail. So I'm just going to tighten it up. Okay, I've tightened it up. But you can use one of these also. Just that when you're doing this, there will be a flat spot on these because it doesn't clamp all the way around. It just clamps from side to side. And this one here, the clamps go all the way around. This is for the soap, and it just screws into here. Okay, I'm replacing the clear line. I've got some windshield washer line, 4 feet, that goes from the handle trigger down to the sprayer right here. Just routing the rest of the line here. Screws in here. And there's just clips underneath, like that. There's the water supply line and the hose, the soap line, and I put the little adapter on here in case you have a faucet that has the screw thread on the inside. This one here is for the outside, and this one is here, the adapter, if you have a faucet that has the threads on the inside. If you look in there, that's where the model is, 1655. I'm going to set this up for a picture.